Hi dudes, Wednesday 24th, the clean-up continues. This time I'm on the cushions, and to avoid winding up the neighbours we've actually come inside on, it's a lovely day, it's a bit warm apparently, but it's just summer, usual summer. Well, usual summer is usually rainy, isn't it? So this is a bonus summer. So quick, no, it's not quick at all, but quick scrub of the cushions. And so on. Right, carpet time with the old Shark. Unfortunately we've run out of Shark's own shampoo, so I put some other in. Don't, it's a mistake. It just foams up terribly. And it all comes blasting out the side. Milkshake, anyone? Right, well, I'll crack on with that. It didn't go quite to plan. Still got to tackle that. That's the chuffing blue out of the split container. That's split on the way back up. So I have to tackle that with the other machine, the other spot wash. Right, got to crack on. See you in a bit. Right, cleaning temporarily suspended. I thought I'd try some stuff. So let's try. What chances of that? Some stuff. We're only testing it. Right, I'm going to have to get some filters. I'm not going to be wiping my feet out, don't carpet yet. Gas is already on. That one there. That one okay. Gas cooker works. Right, so power up the Caravan. What's that? Ah. That's a lot quieter than the one on the boat used to be. It should run until it pressurises, then it will stop. That's taking too long. No, doesn't sound good. Should be self-bleeding. No, that's not sounding good. Don't think it's doing anything at all. What's that filter's blocked? Right, okay, leave me with it. Come back in a few minutes. Right, well that just turned out to be a cover. Okay, so there's another filter inside. So that's that bit. I found a filter in the locker at the front, so I'll take it to bits, clean it out. Take it to bits, got a bit of that, bit of that, bit of that, and a great big pile of that. Camera. So whether that's actually muck or whether it's part of the filter and it's disintegrated, don't know. So that's the story so far. Right, got a feeling he might have just tipped the filtering media down the sink. But anyway, it's only for a test, isn't it? So as long as there's no bits getting into the pump. Right, we'll try again. Well, that didn't seem to make a lot of difference. No, I don't think it's that won't have helped, but pretty sure it must be pump. Right, okay, we're going to pop the pump out. Right, see you in a bit. Morning everybody, sorry, good afternoon. Friday the, yeah, goodness knows. I've been cleaning this blooming thing all my life, about the feel of it. Just doing the carpets. We did a bit yesterday. That still doesn't look right to me. Good news, the new water pump's come. We need to do the carpet first because it's a nice, lovely warm day, so it'll dry the carpet nicely. So I need to crack on. So we're still dealing with the blue spill. Predominantly in this corner. In fact, it's got to the point now where we're using desperate tactics. Really desperate tactics. We've got past the delicate stage. Now we're getting serious, so if you're an ardent caravaner, you best look away now. Because frankly, we're past caring. Alright, so let that soak in a minute. That's empty. Right. Fired up. Quick scrub. Right, so that's my life for the next foreseeable future. Started this yesterday. I can't remember how many times I washed it now. It's still coming out. That blue stuff is completely evil. It's a scourge of society, it really is. It's way worse than transmission fluid, and that's saying something. Right, well, I've got to crack on, because summer will be ending soon, and then it'll be back into autumn. So, I'm going to crack on. We'll come back to you when we try the new fuel pump. Try the new water pump.